Alright guys, once again we're on the road, and this time at nighttime. As you can see, I always go down this I-4 here. Here's that multiple entry and exit triple play, I call it. I'm calling it now that way. And so it's always the cause of this traffic jam. I don't think it matters what time of day. Well, that's not true. I'm sure at 3 in the morning there's no traffic here, so it goes smoothly. But as long as people are out at the restaurants, again, this is the tourist area, right alongside Disney and all the hotels and whatnot. So there's just so much traffic that, and again, I say so much traffic, and the news guys say there's so heavy volume around Disney. But the reality is, it's not the volume, it's the volume of stupid. Everyone say it together, oh, stupid. Okay, and impolite, if you're in the right lane, give it some space like I'm doing. What's the problem? Why do I have to be hueliendo fundillo over there? Let the guy's rear end air out, let the gases go, and with that, let the traffic jam dissipate with it, simple. Why you all gotta be jamming? See, this guy that's pulling in there, he was behind me. And now he went in front. Why? Where are you going? Did you get anywhere any quicker? What? You hitting the brakes? Why? I thought you were going express. You see, this is the problem with people. You guys are just too nothing. You're going nowhere fast. And you're not really even getting there any faster. Yeah, it's a guy. Go ahead, squeeze over, squeeze in, my little beauties. Come on in. If it wasn't for me being here, you'd be frustrated little animals. But I'm here now, you see? So now you're happy. Now you're on the road. That's it. And that's it. It's as simple as that. I give myself enough padding so I can let you guys that are your butts on fire, you got ants in your pants, whatever is your issue, give you guys a chance to move on and get in the highway and do your fancy driving things, until you crash and kill somebody and, yourselves, or lame yourselves, which is sad and unfortunate. But that's the reality of the matter. For no reason, because you want to smell somebody's rear end, you want to be up there, like if you're going to get there any quicker, of course you'll be there a minute before me or two, but it's like this guy, I'm on my way home, I got some traffic heading to the same resort that I live in. So it's funny how they're going around me, and they're speeding this, and they turn around. Then I get into the resort entrance, and I leave them at the security guard, because of course they don't got the keys like I do. So I go in, and I get ahead of all of those rushing fools. For no reason, they're rushing ahead of me. And when at the gate, I will beat all of them to inside the resort. So it's hilarious. It's comical every time I'm on the road, watching people trying to whatever. It's just nothing. It's just nothing. At the end of the day, you're rushing for nothing, and you know it. And you get into so much trouble and crashes and just dumbness for no good reason. All right, so I triggered some of y'all out there. I'm sorry, but come on now. If you're gonna be on the right lane, give it some room. Be polite. Let people in, let people out. Yes, it means letting people ahead of you. And guess what? You control that. I'm in control right now. Right now, the people that come in ahead of me, I have controlled them. You know why? Because I made a space and they went into it. That puts me in the driver's seat, in control of all of these folks. See this guy pulled in ahead right there. I control that, because if I was up there, he wouldn't be able to do that. Simply I'm in control. And I'm a control freak after all, right? All right, guys. Listen, there's no reason to be upset. No reason to get, angry, road rage, or that. No. Be in control. The real power is in making room and space for others to relieve themselves. I guess that goes a lot to say about those who build bathrooms, right? All right, that's enough for now.